I'm just heading out in a few minutes. I got to take my key fob over to the garage. He called me and asked could I bring it over. They got my car parts ordered. It'll take about 8 to 10 days. Some parts is coming from Alberta, some is coming from New Brunswick. But at least he found the parts for it from the dealerships and from car part places, I'm assuming. I don't know what place in New Brunswick, but anyway, it's getting fixed. In my last video, I told you I was going to take that Harry Potter material and sew it and turn it into a pillowcase, and there you go. It's all done. I got it on my pillow there now on the bed, as you can see. Look how much snow we got. You can see it on the top of the table. That's only half of it because my hubby's after cleaning it off. Don't mind the mess on my windows. That's outdoors. We had a stormy day the other day and it was blowing and the snow was like dirty. There, now you can see better. I got the door open. See how much snow? And there's a lot on the step. My hubby's gonna get the shovel because my dog went out to pee and she's up to her belly in snow. We just got off work. We're down at the store coming to get one of those big containers because we got a wooden garbage box and there's mice and rats from by our neighbors coming over. We can see the tracks in the snow going through the slits in the wood and chewing up our garbage. While I was at the store, I bought this black mat and that little one up ahead because as you can see, we got hardwood floors. And this is the bedroom that my dog likes to sleep in. So we're after buying her 2 dog beds and she refused to sleep in them. She would not sleep in them for love nor money. So we gave them away to family and friends and she sleeps on the floor. Now, our dog's getting up in age, so when she goes to get up, she slips and slides, and I don't want her hurting herself where she's old. So we put mats down, so when she lies on the mat, she can get up no problem. But when she's on the floor, lying down, she slips and slides on the wood floor trying to get up. So got that all fixed now. We got mats the whole way in here. Watch, I'll show you. Oops, sorry, that my finger got in the way of the camera. See? And that's her doggy blanket. She got it all bunched up. I gotta fix that in a minute. As you can tell, this is just a junk room with all the stuff around there. You can see the holes for my vacuum cleaner, and we just got like storage containers. This is just a spare room we use for storage. And the dog likes sleeping in here, so she's having her treats there now. Also, while I was at the store, I forgot to show you guys. I bought a phone cord. They're 10 feet long, and when you plug this one in, it lights up. I'll show you guys there now. There, you can see the cord. It flickers. It's plugged into the phone. I got it laying on top of something dark so you guys could see. That's the cord, and it's 10 feet long. And I'll show you another cord I bought there the other day too. This one here, they don't come with the plug-in sockets. They come like, I had this already. It comes with just the 2 ends like this. This one glows in the dark. Now, like I said, it hasn't been sitting in the dark or in the light long enough to start glowing because I got the room here darkened so you guys could see stuff better. But this one's also 10 feet. These cords are only $10.99 or $11.99, something like that around there. But anyway, this one does glow in the dark. It glows very green. So I seen these cords and I was like, I gotta get them. They're nice cords. And they're not expensive at all. So, and there's all different sizes for all different phones. This one right now. Okay, there's the 2 pieces. But you can get all different ones for different phone sizes and different cords. Also, I forgot to mention, in the light up cords, now not this one, but the light up one I just showed you, you can get different colors. You can get red, blue, white, green. There's all different colors to choose from. But I find green is the prettiest one.